Hi, I haven't seen you around before. I'm Sarah. What's your name?
Hi, Sarah. I'm Ahmed. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ahmed. So, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at high school.
Really? That's interesting. How long have you been teaching?
It's been about 5 years. I really enjoy it.
That's great. Teaching is such an important job. Where are you from?
I'm from Islamabad. I recently moved here for work. What about you?
I'm from Lahore. I've lived here my whole life. So, do you like this city so far?
Yes, it's busy, but full of life. The people are friendly too.
That's true. So, what do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading books, especially novels and poetry. Sometimes I play badminton.
I enjoy painting and watching movies on weekends.
That's nice. Are you working or studying right now?
I'm working as a graphic designer.
Sounds creative. I wish I could draw. It was nice chatting with you, Sarah.
Same here. Ahmed, let's talk again sometime. Contact us for online classes. WhatsApp 9 to 33396 to 6978. Thanks for watching and subscribe SJB English YouTube channel for more videos.